by SUCHITA. Je m'appelle SUCHITA, votre enseignante de la langue française, and in this video I am going to continue with the topic Féminin des adjectifs, deuxième partie. Before we begin with this video, I would like to introduce you to my website www.learnfrenchbysuchita.com, where you will find recorded courses for all your French language needs. We have courses for DELF A1, DELF A2, DELF B1, TEF TCF recorded course, French phonetics as well. We have special courses for our school students ranging from grade 5 to grade 8. We also have courses for university students who are enrolled in certificate course or diploma course in Delhi University. And finally, we also have courses for our school students who are aiming to appear for their DELF Prem or DELF Junior examinations. So hurry up and check it out. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. And as I already told you in this video, I'm going to continue with the topic Féminin des adjectifs. We were doing the topic feminine of adjectives. And I told you for this particular topic, I've divided this topic into two videos. In the first part of the series, I have taught you 5 rules how do you make the feminine of adjectives. And in the second part of this series, that means in today's video, we are going to take it further. Before we begin with this video, I would request you to watch this video till the end. And in case you like this video, please do not forget to give a thumbs up to the video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and mention your comments in the comment section below. Believe me guys, it really takes a lot and a lot of efforts to come up with the new and the updated content for you guys. So in case you like this video, please do not forget to show some love to the video. In case you're not following me over my Instagram page, which is Learn French by Suchita, go and follow me over there as well. Now let's just start with this video. In the previous video, I have taught you 5 rules to make the feminine of adjective. Let's just take this topic further. Now, the 6th rule to make the feminine of adjective is if your adjective is ending with an X, then in order to make it feminine, you're going to remove that X and you're going to add SE to make it feminine. Here are some of the examples. The first one is which means happy. Now, in order to make it feminine, if you see, I have removed this S and we put SE to make it feminine. So, heureuse, heureuse. The next one is ennuyeux, ennuyeux. Remove this X, put SE to make it feminine. So ennuyeux, ennuyeuse, ennuyeux, ennuyeuse. The next one is harmonieux, harmonieux, which means harmonious or friendly, harmonious. You're going to remove this X, put SE, harmonieuse, harmonieux, harmonieuse. So the rule states if your adjective is ending with an X, in order to make it feminine, you're going to remove this X and put SE instead, and it will be the feminine of that particular adjective. Alright, coming up, the 7th rule is if your adjective is ending with ER, then you're going to add another E to make it feminine, but in this first E, you will put accent grave. So basically it would be ERE, but this E is going to take accent grave. So supposedly this is premier, this will become première, premier, première. So you see, if it is ending with ER, you're going to put this to make it feminine. So premier, première. The next one is premier, which means first. Dernier, which means last. So dernier, feminine would be dernière, dernière. So dernier, dernière. The next one is cher, cher, which means dear or which also means expensive. Now, in order to make it feminine, if you see, I put ERE and this E will take accent grave. So cher, cher. I'll repeat the rule for you. If your adjective is ending with ER, in order to make it feminine, you're going to put ERE, but the first E is going to take accent grave. Premier, première. Dernier, dernière. Cher, cher. Coming up, the 8th rule, if your adjective is ending with an F, in that case you remove that F and you put VE to make it feminine. Some of the examples, all of them are ending with an F. Remove this F and put VE to make it feminine. So the first one is neuf. Neuf. Neuf also means the number 9, but it's also an adjective which means new. Neuf. Now in order to make it feminine, remove F and put VE. Neuve. Neuf. Neuve. Actif, which means active. Remove this F, put VE. Active. Actif. Active. The next one is sportif. Sportif. The person who plays a lot of sports. So he is sportive, she is sportive. Sportif. Remove this F, put VE. Sportive. So the rule states if your adjective is ending with an F, remove that F and put VE to make it feminine. So coming up the next rule, if your adjective is ending with C in the masculine form, in order to make it feminine, you are going to remove this C and put QUE to make it feminine. The pronunciation is same for both. So if you see public, if you see Turc, these adjectives are ending with C. So remove the C and put QUE to make it feminine. Public, which means public. No, public. Public, public. The next one is Turc, which means Turkish. The nationality of Turkey, Turkish. Now remove the C, put QUE, Turk, Turk. The rule says if your adjective is ending with C, in order to make it feminine, you remove the C and you put QUE to make it feminine, but the pronunciation of both of them remains same. Now, till now, whatever rules I have told you to make the feminine of adjectives, yes, they were general rules. However, in case of adjectives, there are a lot of exceptions to the rules, right? So here I've quoted certain exceptions. However, there are so many other exceptions in case of adjectives, but just some of the exceptions just to show you that exceptions, yes, they exist in case of adjectives. Now, the first one is vieux. Vieux, which means old. Now, in order to make it feminine, we write vieilli. Vieux, vieilli. The next one is blond. Blond, the feminine would be blanche. Blanche. So, you see, CHE, blanche, that's an exception. Faux, false. Now, in order to make it feminine, you'll remove this X, you'll put double SE. That's also an exception. Faux, fausse. The next one is long. Long, which means long. Now, in order to make it feminine, you'll put GUE. That's also an exception. So, long, long. The next one is doux, which means soft. Now, here it is douce. Douce. Remove this X. Normally, if an adjective is ending with X, what do? You remove X and you put SE. But these are exceptions. Like here, you're putting double SE. Here, you're not putting SE. Instead, you're putting CE. So, douce. The next one is sec. Sec. Normal rule says that if your adjective is ending with C, then what do? You remove the C and you put QUE. But here also we are putting blanche, we are putting CHE. Here we are saying sec, we are saying sèche, right? The next one is gentil. Gentil, gentle, or somebody who is kind, who is nice. So in order to make it feminine, you'll put double LE. Right? Gentil, gentil. These are few exceptions. I'm sure there are a lot of other exceptions. If you know any other rule to make the feminine of adjective, if you know any other exception, please mention them in the comment section below. That's it for this video. In case you like this video, please do not forget to give a thumbs up to the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. For all the updates and reminders, you can hit the bell icon. I'll see you soon with the next video. Till then, au revoir, à bientôt et bisous bisous.